So far, this has been a tough year, and unfortunately, it doesn't appear to be getting better anytime soon. Protecting yourself every time you are out in public might seem like a hassle, but personal protection kits make it simple, and it's the right thing to do. Introducing the Personal Protection Kit by AED Superstore. Our personal protection kits are designed for daily use and are perfect for the office, to keep in your car, or take with you on a plane. So what's in our kits? A 2-ounce bottle of either alcohol-based or alcohol-free hand sanitizer. 5 non-woven 3-ply face masks, made for single use, that fit comfortably over your nose and mouth. 2 pairs of nitrile powder-free gloves, and 4 packets of alcohol-based surface disinfectant antiseptic towelettes. Protecting yourself and others while following your local guidelines is easier than it sounds. To learn more about other PPE products we carry, subscribe to our channel or watch our other videos. Otherwise, call 1-800-544-0048 to learn more about our custom-branded kits. You can also order online at aedsuperstore.com.